Hi, everybody. I am so excited to tell you guys today a special thing that happened. I know of some kids, that are great artists. They got so excited with Andre's drawing of the friendship adventure that they sent him fan mail. Would you guys like to see? Okay, here it is.
Alright. Whoa. There's quite a stack in here.
Oh, wow.
Whoa, look. Andre, this class heard their teacher read aloud the friendship adventure. They also watch your YouTube. Watch the YouTube you're on. Andre, you motivate students and they love learning that you've been drawing since you're 7. Take care. Okay. You want. Oh, shoot. Wow. Oh, look. Here's one of them right here.
Wow.
There's a lot of them.
Oh,
Dear Andre,
goodness.
thank you for illustrating friendship adventure. Oh look, there's a picture of me.
Oh my goodness.
See? From Olivia to Andre. Thank you for being kindness. Yeah, shoot. You're welcome. You're welcome. I like your work. That's nice too. Shoot. From Vivian, that's a nice
Can you see?
rainbow.
Face it at me, Lily.
That's nice.
Wow.
Shoot. Another Bruno. A pizza from
Amira.
Max.
Beautiful. And a pizza. Let me see her pizza.
Pizza.
From Maverick. Wow, that's so cool.
Alonzo is a TV. This one
It's like a switch.
is a monkey. This one's nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, Andre, my name is Justin. You are an illustrator. I am. That's nice. Shoot.
That is so cool.
A guitar. This one's a good one.
Oh, that is a good guitar.
Yeah.
This looks
I
real.
love your work. Fun to airplane. Yeah, looks nice.
That is
Shoot, looks
very cool.
Yeah, that's cool. Wow, here's a bear.
Oh, okay.
All right, yeah. Dear Andre, I think you're pretty cool. I want to be an artist too one day. And I like how you made a mouse in of another mouse. Doesn't get used to much better. Yeah, that's it. Bye from Joseph.
Wow, that's a
That's
thoughtful
nice, yeah.
card from Joseph.
Yeah, that's cool. Nice rainbow. This one's a frog. That was nice. Shoot, getting to the end. 3 more left. Oh look, this is the cover. This is the cover.
Oh.
There you go. Shoot. It's nice. This one. By Layla. Hi there, Andre. Friendship book. Layla. Oh look, there's another cover right here. This one's
Wow.
good, yeah.
Let me see that. Wow.
Thank you everyone for sending your drawings. I appreciate them. All of them look great. I love every single one of them. And keep sending them. I love when you guys send me your drawings. They look awesome. You guys are great little artists. And I hope to get more in the future. Thank you.